Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. We've got a 2018 Pete 389 Daycab to show you. It's built with an X15 Cummins, 10-speed, has a wet kit and only 324,000 miles. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, frame rails, tires, brakes. This truck just came out of detail, everything sanded and polished, new rubber all around. Let's go ahead and get started. Southern truck, no rust. Dependable fifth wheel, air track suspension, all aluminum wheels, new drives on the back. Brakes look new as well. Extra gauges, no warnings, excellent miles and hours. This one's not hot, but you can see great low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs and climbs up just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got any questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call. 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.